The 2015 Kia Forte. If you're looking for a trendy and feature-laden compact sedan, the Kia Forte is for you. It offers an exceptional combination of innovative design, high-quality engineering, and outstanding value. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, Bluetooth, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, keyless ignition, AM/FM stereo with CD player, four-wheel disc brakes, CD player, fog lights, power windows, trip computer, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, panic alarm, carpeted floor mats, overhead console, remote keyless entry, tachometer. Come take a test drive today.